In this video, we'll look at how the embedded object report feature can be used in a UX component to display reports and dynamically filter the reports. So you can see that we have a simple UX component here, and we've used the embedded object property here to embed a layout table report in our component. So we've specified here that when we embedded the report that we'd like the initial view of this report to be HTML, and furthermore we've specified that the embedded report itself should not be shown initially when the UX component is rendered, but that it should be shown programmatically. So when we click a button, we would like to actually go ahead and show the report. So then you can see that what we've done also is we've added in a list control, and the list control has been configured to display a unique list of countries in the Northwind customer database. And then we have a button here that goes ahead and prints the report. So first let's demonstrate the UX in action and then go back and take a look at how these various properties were set up. So we'll go here to working preview, and we can see now that we have our list control displaying a list of all the cities in the Northwind customer table, but the report itself has not been rendered yet. So now let's go here and click on Canada and then say print report, and there we can see our HTML report has been rendered for Canada. And of course we have all of our standard buttons here, so we can export this report to Excel or to PDF or to Microsoft Word. Now the list itself has been configured as a multi-select list, so I can go ahead there and make multiple selections, and then when I click the print report button, I can see the report is now filtered on the countries that were selected in this list control on the left. So let's go back now and take a look at how this was done. So you can see here that going first to the list, we can see that the list is based on a SQL query that goes against the Northwind customer table, and that we've specified that we'd like only to show distinct countries, because we don't want to see any duplicate country names. And we've also specified that we would like to sort the data by country, and then the list itself is only displaying a single column, which is the country column. But the list has been configured to allow multiple selections, so we've turned multi-select on, and we've specified that the way in which the user will make multiple selections is with a single click as opposed to control click. So this allows us to now select multiple values in the list. Then what we've done is we've placed a button that says print report, and if we go look at the code behind this button, we can see that this button is using a built-in action in Action JavaScript called run a report that is embedded in a UX component using a custom filter for the report. So if we go to the builder here, we can see that the report that we're going to run is the report that we embedded into our into our UX component. And then when we go ahead here and define the search fields, we can see that the we're going to use the value that is contained, that has been currently selected in list 1, to filter the report based on the country fields in the report, and we're going to allow QBF syntax. So that this is all that was necessary in order to make this custom button that dynamically filters the report. So let's go back now and click on, say, Ireland, Denmark and Mexico. Click the print report button, and there we have Denmark, Ireland and Mexico. So the ability to embed reports as embedded objects into the UX component, to specify that the report itself should be rendered using the HTML view, and then to dynamically filter the report using Action JavaScript, allows you to build very powerful UX components for letting end users interact with reports and dynamically generate various reports. Thanks very much for watching.